The Huawei Nova 14i is a new mid-range powerhouse that blends sleek design, a massive battery, and a large fluid display, all wrapped in Huawei's signature elegance. And the device is expected to cost about $300 and will launch in October, but there's no official release date and price yet, so this is just me speculating. Anyway, the Huawei Nova 14i shares a lot in common with the Huawei Enjoy 60X and the Nova Y91, both known for their big batteries and similar design language, making the Nova 14i feel like a refined continuation of that series. Both the Enjoy 60X and the Nova Y91 were released back in 2023, by the way. So for about $300, which is the expected price, will be about $250. What does the Huawei Nova 14i has to offer? Well, the Nova 14i has a thickness of 8.9mm and its weight 216 grams. It supports dual nano SIMs, so you can easily manage personal and work lines on one phone. On the front, it features a 6.95-inch TFT LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The display has this, old school iPhone notch that houses the 8MP selfie camera. Under the hood, the Nova 14i runs EMUI 14.2, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 4G chip built on a 6nm process, paired with the Adreno 610 GPU. This combo ensures smooth performance for daily multitasking, social media apps, and even moderate gaming. Storage-wise, there is no SD card slot, but Huawei compensates with generous built-in options, including 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, both paired with 8GB of RAM. For photography, the Nova 14i offers a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP main wide sensor with face detection autofocus for sharp and detailed shots, and a 2MP depth camera for enhanced portrait effects. And the device supports 1080p video recording at 30fps. Sound-wise, the Nova 14i delivers stereo speakers for a fuller audio experience, although it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, other features include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS and other essential navigation systems. There's also NFC support, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG, and an unspecified radio option that might differ by market. The device includes all essential sensors, including a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass, providing a secure and responsive user experience. Powering everything is a massive 7000 mAh LiPo battery, one of the largest in its class. It supports 22.5 watts fast wire charging. Finally, the Nova 14i comes in two stylish finishes, blue and black, both maintaining Huawei's clean premium aesthetic. So at around $250 to $300, the Nova 14i stands out as a direct sibling to the Enjoy 60X and the Nova Y91, offering the same combination of huge battery life, immersive display, and refined Huawei design. It's a smart buy for users who want flagship level endurance and style without breaking the bank. So what are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.